Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad ke Sangma habagran cikila pathai kubor ha kabayede berkajing pendat pat play pat ba ya ki CCTV uloong ba dang hakini kisni ladap ban pendat ya ki kor CCTV hakithan mauro uloong ba jan baro kithan la jan dap ban bu lut haman la ki jaka Konrad uloong ba menta on Sdang ban le saya ka phase 2 ya ka ba on sa pendat sa kumba ars pa atli ki kor CCTV uloong bala bu ya ka jing thmuru ban bu ya ki kor CCTV bat ki street lights habaro ki than jowai tura bat shillong da ka ba penshai ba ka ni kan shimpor kat kum ki jing don kam ula ban rap da ka baong bawat la omla ban pendap shisin pendap namar ka shimpor ka sorkar ka le kat bala ban pentikna ban pendap kloy
to Mauro the other day, and I have installed the CCTV. I mean, I have inaugurated the CCTV in Mauro, and like that in almost all the locations, it's done. Now we'll start the second phase where we'll take another 200 of them. We've also decided to put up CCTVs and street lights everywhere in Jowai, Tura, and Shillong. So this is going to be a year-long process where multiple in phase-wise manner. And you should go and see it. It's wonderful. So now CCTVs are there in all concerned areas. Of course, we're not taking everything in one go because everything requires money and manpower and monitoring systems to be put in place. But it's happening at a very fast pace, and many of the localities have received it. And I can assure the others also that we'll be slowly in the other localities, and definitely Tura and Shillong also part of the pipeline.
How many localities?
But there's a large number. I would think more than. I'm sorry, I don't want to give a wrong number to you, but they're large numbers. Last time I think, but every locality wants in 3-4 locations. So it's not that there'll be one CCTV in one locality. Last time they had a list of about 200 plus cameras that were finalized. So now another 200, 300 more will be given.
How much the government is spending for installation?
I don't have those numbers with me right now. But I mean, whatever the procedure is being followed for that. But the way I look at it is that it's something that has to be done. I don't think we can simply look at the financial part in this. It's mandatory from the security aspect, safety aspect, drugs aspect, and so many other things that are there that require constant monitoring. So it's a great investment, and we are very happy that we are moving in a right manner. And this all is being done obviously with the consultation of the different darbars and in Shillong. And recently I had a very big meeting in Mauro, and as I said, I inaugurated the CCTV there, and obviously we shared the details to all the local darbars.